If your HVAC system is coughing up dust every time it kicks on, you gotta fix that fast to keep your air fresh and your home comfy. Alright, so first thing, check your air filters. If they look nasty or clogged, swap them out right away because dirty filters trap dust and then chuck it back into your space. Next, think about getting your air ducts cleaned professionally every couple years since dust and debris love to hang out in there. You can also vacuum around your vents and registers regularly to keep dust from sneaking back in. When you run your HVAC, try to keep windows and doors closed to avoid pulling in outside dust. Also, consider using an air purifier if dust is a constant pain. Make sure your system's blower fan isn't loose or dirty because that can stir up dust too. Finally, schedule routine HVAC maintenance so technicians can spot and fix dust problems before they get worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make with dusty HVAC systems is ignoring dirty filters. Don't let those bad boys sit too long or you'll just be spreading dust everywhere. Another common issue is skipping duct cleaning, which lets dust build up and circulate like crazy. Getting those ducts cleaned helps big time. Lastly, not keeping vents and registers clean can cause dust to pile up and blow into rooms. Just quick vacuuming can save you from a lot of trouble. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid way to find trusted local contractors who really know how to handle HVAC and other home projects without stress. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for real pros, making the whole process easier for everyone involved.